2, 3.
Make sure it gets in the bowl, please.
4.
All right, 4 scoops of baking soda.
1.
1 scoop of what?
Flour. 1 small scoop of cabbage.
Red cabbage, yeah.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Get it all out.
I never want to taste this.
You don't have to.
2nd small scoop of cabbage.
So Wyatt, what are we gonna make?
A volcano.
Yeah.
1 scoop of water.
Good job.
Ooh, it's turning blue. It's getting stuck.
Good.
Like this.
Mm-hmm. All right, we dumped it on the plate, and now we're gonna try to make a little mountain. So, see if we can, yeah, kind of like Play-Doh, kind of squish it together. Ugh. Oh, that's really squishy. There we go. Squish it like that. Yeah.
Like your Play-Doh squishy stuff.
Yeah. There's our little baby volcano. All right, now we're doing the second cup. It says 3/4 full, so let's...
1, 2, 3.
That's about half. That's about 3/4 right there.
We can't drink it.
No, let's not drink it. Okay. It says add 3 small scoops of red cabbage powder and stir it together. So there's the small scooper.
Did it.
No, that's not the scooper. This is right here. Yep. All right, your red cabbage, that's the purple one, remember? So 3 scoops of that. Do I need to pour more in there?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
3.
Great job. Okay.
Why is it so dark?
I don't know.
It's turned to lava.
All right, so stir it together. Use this end of the stick and stir it together. Whoa. All right, grab the last cup. Now we have to fill that one with warm water and citric acid. So let Mom go get the warm water.
Is that the warm water?
No, but I can make it warm. Hold on. All right, got the warm water. Keep it still, please. Okay. Now we need citric acid. All right, put in the 4th scoop. Mommy did the first 3. Go ahead. Get it in there.
What is this stuff?
It's called citric acid.
Is it crunchy?
It is crunchy.
Never ate it.
Okay. All right, Wyatt, it says you can pour some of the purple water, so very gently use this purple water and pour it around the volcano, like make a little river. Very gentle, not a lot. Don't get it on the volcano.
How about you should do it?
You can do it. Ooh. Get a little on the other side, too. Very careful. All right. What do you think? Think that's enough?
Yep.
All right. That's enough for now. All right. Very good. Looks cool.
Looks purple.
Looks very purple. All right. Now we're going to drop some citric acid on our volcano. All right. So squeezed in there. Drop it on the volcano. What's happening?
It's doing it.
All right, get some more. Get more of the citric acid. You got to do it right on top of the volcano. Wow! Wow!
Can you do it again?
Yeah, get some more. Get some more of the water. All right. Hey, you got some. Put it right on top. Wow. Now you can put some just in the water over here and see what it looks like.
Okay.
Nope, yep. Use your clear water, yep.
Right here.
Yeah. Whoa!
Orange pink.
It did! Do it again!
This time it's a different pink. Mysteries. That's regular pink.
Do it on the volcano again. Wow!
Broke.
How cool is that?
Can we touch it?
Do you really want to?
No. Is it gonna burn us?
No, it won't burn you. It's not a real volcano, honey.
Is it just gonna be cold?
Wow, I don't know. Go ahead, touch it.
Oh, thanks. You do it.
All right, well, good job. You're such a good little scientist.
Can we make another volcano someday?
Absolutely. I think you need some more. Whoa!
That's some melt water. Why is it not making the rainbow?
I did. Look at your water. Put some more on the water. Wow. Amazing.
Why is it just pink?
Because pink is cool.